So today I picked up the chain hoist, but not yet the gantry materials, and also refilled the gas bottle so I could finish weld the mounts at the front and start doing finer bits of fitting. So getting this bit finalised, and I kind of run out of things to do without getting the engine out. So I got brave and tacked in this bit. I thought I can always grind it off. And this is an absolute mighty connection, and it lets me start jigging the rest of it. Having pinged that, that's moved. So this is tack welded in, but I forgot to turn the gas on. It's getting late in the day. I probably should have stopped a bit earlier. But it's a nice moment when I can pull that whole piece off and can start to get that final alignment. But this is absolutely mighty. I can push the car around with that, and it doesn't move at all. Moves a bit this way. Some of that is the bottom rail twisting on its mounts, but by the time that's triangulated across, I think the whole thing's going to be mighty. The other thing is the frame is pleasingly light, and something else I've tested is how whippy it is. And it's not going to add any stiffness, but conversely I don't think the chassis is going to twist and then rip the engine mounts apart. So that's a decent day of progress. Most satisfying thing is just how tough that post is stuck on there.